Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will demonstrate the testing process of the EPS cup making machine. As shown in the video, we can see that the production time for one cycle is about 20 seconds. Next, please continue watching the complete production process of this machine to learn more about its high efficiency and operational details. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.